Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
AB Supply, this is Richard.
Hey, Richard. My name's Rick as well. Was talking to Corey. Did he brief you, or should I start over?
Yes to the former, but sure to the latter, if you like. Classic engineering, sure.
Yes, I've got one of their old board kits. I'm not sure they're still making them or not. I'm kind of online. It's where I ended up finding you guys. There's a quick adapter part.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.